Are you looking for quick infos on icons or sewing stitches? Or do you want to know how a specific sewing, quilting or embroidery technique is working without having to look it up in the manual? Then this is the right video for you. The Bernina 790 Ultra makes it really easy to get started, since so many helpful features are directly built into the machine. And today I'll show you how it works. If you find this video tutorial helpful, please give us a thumb up. And to make sure not to miss any more video tutorials, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Quick help is available for many icons and buttons. My tip: brief instructions are also provided for sewing and decorative stitches. The Help Center is divided into 3 categories. In Quick Start, you find frequently searched instructions. Some topics are further subdivided into categories, such as threading or care and maintenance. The pictures make the information very easy to understand. Tapping and then scanning the QR code icon will display the content on a tablet. The machine must be connected to the internet in order to generate the QR code. I can access the settings directly by tapping the Wi-Fi icon. The machine can be connected to any available wireless 2.4 GHz network. A password is required for secured networks. Now the QR code appears, which I open on my tablet to follow the step-by-step instructions. Once the connection is established, it can be easily turned on or off via the status bar. The contents of the instruction manual open on the tablet in exactly the same way. In the Consultant, you'll find tips on sewing, embroidery and quilting. First, the material that I use is selected. Then I select the desired sewing application. Here you'll find information about needles, thread and machine settings. The tutorial explains how to stitch out the desired technique. Here too, you can scan the QR code and open the information on the tablet. My tip: when you switch to the tutorial, you get instructions just like on the machine, but these often include helpful images. If I confirm the suggested settings, the machine will apply them. That way, even I, who's no quilting pro, always have the right settings. Was this video helpful? then please give it a like. And to make sure you don't miss any more videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Bernina, made to create.